Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. So guys, today we're gonna unbox more toys as per usual, of course. Shush. Anyways, don't mind my parrot. She might be very annoying. Anyways, so what I got today is this green slime. It's really nice. I kind of separated like some of it, like some of the slimes in it, but this is what it came. This is how it came. On the camera, it looks so teal. It's actually like green. Anyways, guys, so I went to the workshop, and then I went to Home Bargains as well. So this is what I got. I need to take the price tag off. Don't worry. So I got these in the workshop because I just found them somewhere. And then this was the last Series 3 mini brands. I know I don't unbox any mini brands. I have not unboxed any in my videos. That's okay, because sometimes for life, I used to get a lot of mini brands, especially the old ones, and this is the last mini brand there. That's why I have not, because I almost have the whole series, so that's why I don't really unbox them, and I don't really buy them because I don't need them anymore. But this is not what we're gonna probably unbox today. We're probably just gonna unbox these two. So anyway, well, I don't know which one. The ball keeps on just moving. Anyways, let's actually put it here. It looks so nice. So, which one should we go for? I just literally, this is Shimmer Verse series. That's nice. I literally just found these, I don't know. Oh. So what are we gonna unbox? I think we're gonna unbox, I don't want to unbox the mini brand, so let's unbox these two. So guys, anyways, let's see. So let's get one of them. Let's get this one. So, and this one, get this one, I think. This is the ultra rare, something like that. 2 mini mixies. Oh, these are minis. And 1 cauldron. Yeah, there's 1 cauldron inside. Wait, does that mean we got a person as well? That sounds... Okay, let's go for this one, since we got it first. Checklist. Let's check the checklist first. I know you guys might see that, but oh, these are actually so cute. Moonstar. We can either get Starlight, Ice Gem, Sun, Rainbow, or Moonstone. I want to get Moonstone. There are a lot of... There's one limited edition, but it's in the Moonstone. I love Moonstone. That's the limited edition one that we have to try to get. We have to try to get the Moonstone as well. I want to get the Moonstone. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. I think we got a Moonstone. Look at this cauldron. And then nothing else inside. We got our little item, and then... Wait, I'll be back. And it looks just so cute. Oh, this is the other one. So let's see what we got. It's so small. Oh, that's why. Wait, it's cute, but there's a piece missing from it. I'm afraid so. There's something in here. I think there's another piece to it, of course. Why would it just be cauldrons? Half of it just went away. Oh. This is actually so cute though. A little mini cauldron. Okay, we got a little girl. I don't understand. Oh, is she meant to be like, oh, she meant to be like that. I thought she was meant to be attached to something. Anyways, we got these two. We're going to see. The first one we got is this one. She probably is in the moonstone. Aww, it's a cute one. We got Phoebe and she's in the moonstone. See, we got this one. That's the one that's lying. So yeah, it looks so cute. Okay, now let's do this one. I think this one's from it as well. I don't think she's from this series though. Oh yeah, she's probably from the Ice series. Yeah, it's Griffin. We got Griffin. I'm sure some people that are watching right now this video might be like a Harry Potter fan. I know some people in my school. Anyways, this is our first one. I hope you guys can see it. Well, you already guys can. Now, let's unbox this one. Oh, the video is already 6 minutes long. Oh, why does it have to be this? I think we're going to get doubles for some reason. Okay, let's see what we're going to get. Oh, it's not a double. It's not a double. It's not a double. We're lucky. We're lucky. Pop it open. Get it out. Because that's the way to get it out. Oh, rising signs, sunshine. Hey guys, I don't know how to say that anyway. Why is she pink? Okay, let's see. I know by the thing, so I love Rainbow Moonstone because she has a moonstone on her head. Harlow. Girl. The limited edition one does not have a name. We got. Wait. Oh, we got Parade. Okay, and now let's look at the pink one. The pink one. I don't know what this is. Looks like Sonic. Quash. Okay, we got Quash. And we did not find the good one. Anyways, guys, if you liked watching this video and you want me to unbox another of this toy, then comment down below if I should get more. Anyways, guys, bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.